Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. My name is Courtney-Ann, and on this channel we talk about business, finance, and real estate. Today I have some brand new apartments. This is called King's House Apartments. The apartments range from 1,001 square foot to 1,150 square foot. So I'm just gonna jump straight into the tour. This is a 2-bed, 2.5 bathroom complex. Let's begin. So as we step into the apartment, the first thing I love about this place is the tiles. You guys know I'm a fan of large tiles. Small tiles are kind of outdated to me. And once I turned around, I actually took a good look at the door as well. It looks about 10 foot high because it was a lot taller than me, and it was extremely wide as well, so you have no issues fitting in your furniture. This is the living room space. So once we step into the living room space, we have an open concept living. We have our sockets ready for our TV installations and our other appliances. And as you can see, the ceiling has a bit of a aesthetically pleasing design with the lights and everything. There was no chandelier here, but I love the subtle accent lightings that it did come with. There is a balcony door, so it allows a lot of natural light, lots of sunlight, and also the area was pretty cool as well when I was there. So you can expect that living here, you're gonna have a rather cool climate or a cool atmosphere. Now, this property actually comes with 2 balconies. This is the first balcony, which is attached to your living room area. You can definitely set up a small entertainment space out here, some small chairs, a nice little table. I thought it was very quiet, very private, and this is me showing you guys what the space looks like behind me. So I'm actually going to turn around so that you can see the full length of the balcony. We're gonna head back inside, and then we're gonna take a closer look of the kitchen space. So like I said, it's very open concept. This is the kitchen area. It allows you to have some form of dining right there where that counter is. I would buy some high chairs, put them there, and have my breakfast or my dinner there. And these are your cupboards. You have a bit of a frosted glass. You have dark cabinets, not too dark, sort of like in the medium range thereabout. You do have a pantry space. You have deep double sinks, stainless steel fixtures in your kitchen. You have sockets there for your appliances to be plugged in, including like a microwave or a toaster. You have a space for your stove, and you have a space for your fridge. Now this section here that I'm opening, I would recommend this to be your pantry space because, like I said, just the very shape of it, it gives a pantry vibe. It has a lot of large shelving for you to fit your foods and stuff like that. Let's take a closer look of the sinks that I mentioned. So as you can see, it's stainless steel, very deep, so I'm sure it can hold a lot of pots and pans, and also that could be very convenient when you're doing the dishes as well. This property does come with a water heating system, so you don't have to worry about not having warm water to wash your dishes or to even take a shower. Let's move on to our laundry room. Now, each apartment comes with in-unit laundry, so there's no shared washing area. You have your sink as well, and then there's also space for you to put your washing machine and possibly a dryer. This room also has an extractor fan, which I'm assuming will help to keep the room fresh and nice. Here you have your guest bathroom. So it's more like a powder room. There's no shower here, just a toilet and a sink. We're going to be heading into bedroom number 1. As you can see, the bedrooms are extremely spacious, ladies and gentlemen. You can definitely fit a king-size bed in here, or a full-size or a queen-size bed. I'm just going to be showing you the room from different angles. And as you see there in the video, there is an AC unit. Now, each bedroom and the living room included comes with an AC unit with your purchase. So you do not have to worry about buying these things separately. This is a closet space. It's pretty large, pretty spacious. You also have overhead storage. So I'm going to be showing you clips of the doors below being opened and the doors above being opened. This is the full perimeter of the bedroom. You also have an in-suite or en-suite bathroom, so you don't have to share your bathroom if it is that you are in fact the owner of this particular bedroom. Given that this is not the master bedroom, honestly, I was sort of shocked at how spacious the bathroom was. It was very well put together. I really loved the designs. I loved the backdrop used. It's a bit of a neutral color, but it also has a bit of a gradient scheme that I really appreciated. The glass doors were also lovely, very spacious. We have stainless steel fixtures in the bathroom as well. As you can see, they are very modern, and they do cater for your different needs. So if one day you're in need of a shower, you can definitely do that. If you want to get more up close and personal, you can do that as well. Let's jump straight into the master bedroom. So the first thing about this bedroom I'm going to show you is that you get a walk-in closet. Now this is not common with a lot of apartment complexes, so I was really grateful that they did this. And based on the design, I would say this is probably a his or her closet, because as you can see, they have the same aesthetically pleasing setup on both sides. You get shelf space, you get 2 racks, one below and one above, to hang your clothing. Now personally, I've always said this in my videos, I'd need the entire closet for myself. However, this is how the bedroom is looking. I'm gonna be giving you different angles so you can have an idea of the full perimeter of the room. The lighting is a bit different from the living room because you have a center lighting instead of accent lightings. There's your AC unit there, and if you're wondering what that door is for, I'm gonna show you in a bit. Let's head on to the master bathroom. Now the master bathroom is a lot more roomier, much more spacious than the previous bathroom that I showed you. You do get a lot more counter space. The shower has a pretty similar setup, but I think it was a lot more roomier than the previous shower. You guys let me know in the comments. And then as you can see, you have your window here with a lot of ventilation and some form of natural lighting, and you do get tons of storage under the counters as well, which was not in the previous bathroom. By the way, guys, don't forget to join the family and subscribe. Give this video a thumbs up. Let me know what are your favorite parts of the tour so far. I'm always reading the comment sections, and sometimes the comments are really amusing to me. I try my best to respond to everyone, so if it is that you have some thoughts about the house, let me know below. Okay guys, no more suspense. Time to go through that door that I showed you earlier. This is your private and, might I say, exclusive balcony to the master bedroom and the master bedroom only. Obviously, it's a lot larger than the balcony that was connected to the living room. The first balcony is on the other side of this wall on my left. But guys, it's so much more spacious. I don't know what else to say. I would definitely set up a private little area where I could relax. Now, if you thought that was the end of the tour, we have a lot more in store for you, so stay tuned. So apart from your balcony areas that comes with your apartment, there is an entertainment area on the roof with a small kitchenette space as well for you to entertain. There's also a bathroom located on the roof as well, so your guests can definitely relieve themselves. They don't have to go all the way downstairs to your apartment. I think this is very roomy. There's a lots of space here for you to run around, or for your kids to run around rather, and for you to have a small event if you wish to. Another thing I appreciated about the King's House apartment complexes is that it has disability access, something that is not very common in a lot of businesses or a lot of homes. So whoever designed this property, I must give them my hats off. Now guys, we're going to be jumping into a bit of a bonus clip because the apartments aren't the only gems on this complex. Now, just giving you a heads up, they're not fully finished like the apartments that I showed you. So I'm just going to be giving you a quick glimpse. So this would be your living room area. That's your kitchen area over there. As you can see, it's literally double the space. This townhouse literally has 3 balconies per unit. 3 balconies per unit, guys. So if you're interested in purchasing the apartments or the townhouses, go ahead and reach out to Mr. Travis Ffrench. I'm going to put his number on the screen, and his information will also be in the description box below. As always, guys, thank you for watching another house tour. I hope to see you in the next video. Goodbye.